Welcome to my vlog, and this is under my FX and day trading. What you're looking at is my Hugo's Way trading brokerage platform. And what I wanted to bring out today is, if you look down here, my account history is 0. I think this updates once a month. So we are the 1st of November, and it looks like I don't have any history for November. But if I go back to trade on here, it shows my balance, my equity, margin, free margin, and margin level. So as of right now, I don't know why these are weird. When it goes to time, I'm not sure. I gotta find out why. Because this shows 9:14, 9 o'clock, 14 minutes after, on the 10/5/2001. So I don't know. I don't get it. But right now, my profit is minus 24. I started out with a $550. So that's where we're at right now. Down USD 407 with a dollar. And again, back to my account history as of right now. So I'm down $94, $95 since the start, last month sometime. What I found that happened is somehow or other let's see if I can go back, my X trade. Okay, here is my FX mode account under the MT4 platform, and this is attached to the Hugo's Way trading platform, and it is set in automation. So right now, according to this, I have 455.44. So if I go back to Hugo's trade, it's the same. So I know they're connected, and right now that's what I'm set up for. So this automatically trades, but I don't know when. And to find out, I went in here to check something because I wanted to upgrade, change my back here. I wanted to go back in and change my I want to change my risk from 1 to 2. And when I did, come to find out, this was empty. So I got back with support, and they said, "We'll go do this and do this and do this." And I wound up with 2 accounts, one on my Gmail account and the other one on my Hotmail account. And they said, "Well, you can only have one." So, but nothing was here. They couldn't find it. So I had to reset everything back up again, as you see in the other video. You got to have the account, the server that the broker is using, and then you go ahead and put in your password. Set it up for subscription, your risk, in my case is 2, and then you'll be able to, then it'll automatically come up and say status online, and then you'll be back onto your accounts. And then if this pops up, man, if this matches your Hugo's account, then you know you're hooked up properly. So we'll see what happens. Because it shut down, it stopped trading. So that didn't help me any. And they said no problem, because you are on a monthly subscription on this. It depends on what you get in at. So they said no problem. We'll waive this month's November into December, and we'll see how things turn out. Because basically they're guaranteeing you're going to be making your monthly subscription plus. So that's the whole point. Anyway, that's where I'm at right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Day Trading and FX. I'm not a professional trader. Just following me on my journey.